Hi students, today I will discuss something about the revenue curve and the relationship between tier, MR and AR. So in the relationship between tier, MR and AR, you will get in two segregations. See, you can see on the copy when the price remains constant and when the price falls with the rise in outputs. Okay, so in the market that I have explained, starting from the perfect competition and to the end of oligopoly, and we discussed all the features of every markets. So now you have to understand how the curve look like in every markets. So today I will discuss about the perfect competitions and the curve of tier. You can see over here and MR and AR. Okay, and how the slope of the curve look like. So within table I will give an example. Okay, and this is clear to you. See here, when the price remains constant. Now the question is, what is the meaning of price remains constant? Price remains constant means when the price is fixed. Okay, and when the price fall with the rise in output, sometimes some of the company and some of the industry, they want to sell more unit of their products, but without deducting their prices, it is not possible for them to increase their sales. So at that point of time, that industry, that particular firm, they have to reduce their price. Understand? I think it is clear to you. So, and some of the firms, they don't want to reduce their price. So that is why it is written when the price remains constant. And see here, it happens under perfect competitions. I said to you that I am discussing here now about the perfect competition markets. So in this table, you can see unit sold is given over here, and the price is given over here, and the tier is given, and MR is given, and AR is given. So in all the curves, okay, so here see, when the firm, they sold 1 unit of output, at the time the price is given 5 rupees. How much tier is a tier will be, you have to write. So the formula of the tier is quantity into price. Okay, so you have to multiply it 1 into 5, 5. So in this way, all the units you have to multiple, and you will get this value or this number: 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. You can multiple it. I think you can understand how to find out the tier. Now the formula of MR that we got earlier, MR, how could you find it? It's a difference between, or it's a difference of tier, or changes of tier divided by changes of unit. So how much is the changes? 5. And how much is the changes? 1. So 5 divided by 1, it means 5. Here also 5, and 3 minus 1, 1, it means 5. So in this way you will get an 555 those value. In here the formula is, what is the formula of here? Here is tier divided by quantity. So how much is the tier? 5. Quantity is how much? 1. So it means what? 5. How much is the tier? 10. And the quantity is how much? 2. So what is the value here? 5. So in this way you can find it out. So this will be the answer. Now from that table we understood that in the perfect competition market, tier is different, but the price equal to MR equal to AR. See, in every unit of sale sold, the all the prices are same, the marginal revenue are also same, and in the same here the average revenue are also same. So from these points, so these questions may ask in your exams, why in perfect competition markets P equal to MR, or P equal to MR equal to AR, or P equal to AR. So this is the main table, how we able to find out. So let's see how the slope of the curve in the diagram. You can see this is the tier curve. See, when the unit, this one is unit of outputs, and this one is TR, AR and MR. And now you can see here, when the number of units sold 1, the TR is how much? See, the TR is 5, so 5. When the number of unit is 2, then TR is how much? 10, so the 10. And when the number of unit is 3, the TR is how much? 15. So in this way you can put the value, you will get this type of curve, and you can do like that. So understand. So here the TR is rising, the TR is what? Rising. But as we know, in this table the price and the MR and the AR is same, there is no change, there is a constant. That's why it is written, when the price is constant, at that times AR also constant, MR also constant. Constant means fixed. So see those value, when the unit number of units sold 1, then the 5, and next 5, again 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So it means price equal to MR equal to AR, price equal to MR equal to AR. So the curve is look like that. So this is the slope of the what? The slope of the price and MR and AR curve. Understand? So this is constant and this is rising. So this is the examples of what? Perfect competition, under perfect competitions markets. And some two terms you have to understand. One is farm, another one is industry. What is the meaning of that? Let's give one example, it will be clear to you. Suppose I am using Samsung mobile. Now who is the manufacturer of my mobile phone? Obviously Samsung. So Samsung is an industry, but I have not purchased my mobile from Samsung company directly. I have gone to the dealers or retailers to purchase my mobile. Those are called farm. Again I repeat, retailer or dealer are called what? Farm. And industry means who is manufacturing the product. Understand? So under perfect competitions, here the price is constant. Constant for what purpose or for whom? Constant for farm only. So this is the example of farm. Remember, always remember, this is the example of farm. I think it is clear to you. Now let's give another example. Here the industry means the Samsung company instructed the farm or the reseller or retailer to sell at a fixed price, at a constant price, which is fixed by the industry, means fixed by the Samsung company. So at that situations you have to prepare this table and you have to draw to understand the slope of the demand curve. So you can write here D also. This D means demand curve also. Now one by one you can go through with these points. It is very clear to you. If it is clear, see in the above diagram, AR stands for average revenue. I think it is clear. I have given the formula over here. TR stands for total revenue. It is also given over here. Also given the formula also. I have not written the formula of MR. Changes of TR divided by changes of quantity. So this is the formula of MR. And MR stands for marginal revenue. Point number 2. In this case, price equal to AR equal to MR. Is it clear to you? This is the point is given over here. Hence, it is parallel to the x-axis. Parallel to the x-axis means what? This is the x-axis. And this demand curve, price curve, MR curve, AR curve look like x-axis. So this is parallel. In the same direction it will also go as like x-axis. Understand? Point number 3. In this case, MR is constant. MR is constant. MR is constant means what? MR is fixed. See, MR also fixed as like in price. Hence TR increases. See, rising means increases. TR is increasing. When the MR is fixed, TR is increasing at a constant rate. Constant rate means what? The proportionate rate at the same percentage. See, here TR is increasing from 5 to 10, next 5, 15, next 20, next 25. It means the difference is only 5. There is no difference of rising. In the first unit sold, TR is increases 7. The next unit sold, the TR is increases 15. Next 25, next 35. Not like that. In proportionate rising or at a constant rate. The rate is constant, fixed. Number 4 point. No firm in a position to influence the market price. This is very important points. You have to understand the points first. Why it is written. Here I said this is the diagram for farm. Farm means retailer or reseller or dealer, you can say. So those are called the farms. Here in this situation, the farm cannot influence or change the price because industry instructed the farms, instructed the dealer to sell on those price which is fixed by the industry. So this is the main point. So no farm, no dealer, no retailer can change or influence on the price. So this is the meaning of that points. Number 6, demand is perfectly elastic. Very important point. Here the demand curve is perfectly elastic. Perfectly elastic means with the given price you can sell any amount of output. This is called perfectly elastic. You got in the elasticity of demand chapter. If you forgot, then you can go through with that point what is the meaning of perfectly elastic and how the perfectly elastic curve look like. The curve look like that. So here also the curve is look like that. So that's why it is a perfectly elastic curve. Okay, price rules the markets. In the perfect competition markets, here only price will determine how much demand will fix into the markets or whether the demand will increase or decrease. A single increase in the price, then the demand will be zero under these markets. That's why the farm they don't want to change the price, because the farm also know if they rise the price, then demand will be zero. No one will purchase from him. So that's why the farm, they don't have any power or any positions to change the price. That's why it is written price rules the markets. Here see, here is horizontal and the DD curve, and in the DD curve it means horizontal means parallel. So this point and that points are same. There is not much difference here. Here see, in the last points, here coincides with MR. It means here and MR curve are both are same. So if you understand this table and this diagram, you can write all the points over here and it is very clear to you. And this is very important questions. If the concept is clear, then you can write. It may come for the 2 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks, 5 marks. Okay, come to the next points over here. I think I will discuss in the next video this point. Okay, first go through with these points. If it is clear, then I will go with this point. Thank you.